Dublin's Newmarket Mall. What happened? Hey everyone, this is Paul Graves, local realtor. I'm down here at the corner of Sawmill and Billingsley, which you might recognize as the Dublin Newmarket Mall, right here along with 270. I think a lot of us have been wondering, what's going on here? When is this plaza, among several others south of here on Sawmill, going to be revitalized? I believe it's about time. We have such a beautiful community here. What do you think? There's still so many wonderful schools, and this is definitely part of the fabric of Dublin. I've been around here my whole life, and I truly wonder why some of the big companies that own this real estate haven't invested any money in revitalizing these areas. What do you think? I actually live around this area, so I'd love to see something happen here. Put it in the comments below. I hope to speak with you all soon. If you need any help with local Dublin real estate, all up and down Sawmill, I hope you will give me a call or think of me. Have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.